Need funnels? Not tech headaches? Biz Tools That Work breaks it down. Stick around for free trial info. Welcome to Biz Tools That Work, biztoolsthatwork.com. Today we're breaking down what ClickFunnels actually is and whether it's the tool your business needs in 2025. So like and subscribe. ClickFunnels is like the Swiss Army knife of marketing tools. No coding, no hiring some expensive developer, no throwing your laptop out the window in frustration. It lets you build landing pages, funnels, sales pages, you name it, all with simple drag and drop tools that actually make sense. Here's a quick look at how ClickFunnels works. So what can you actually do with it? You can capture leads, sell digital or physical products, offer freebies to grow your list, book calls or appointments, even to run a full webinar funnel. Basically, it's your 24/7 sales assistant, no coffee breaks required. ClickFunnels works for coaches, consultants, course creators, e-commerce shops, and honestly, anyone who has something to offer and wants a smarter, simpler way to sell it. If you're trying to move someone from who dis to take my money, this tool was built for you. Now, if your current setup feels like a Frankenstack of apps duct taped together, ClickFunnels might just be the clean slate you've been looking for. It's not free forever, but if you use it right, it can absolutely pay for itself. Ready to give it a shot? Head to biztoolsthatwork.com/free trial or click the link below to start your free ClickFunnels trial. For more tools, tutorials, and no fluff guidance, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome.